Ciao Tesla people. Today I'm going to install a new product from the company Tlyard. They sent me this ambient light that you install on the wireless charger, your Model Y and Model 3. I have a coupon code, it's Ciao Tesla for 27% off. So it should be a great deal. So I had a little cover here that I removed from my wireless charging, and I moved if you see, I moved the display because it's a bit low when I have it in the normal position or the position that I like. So let's do the unboxing, and then we'll do the installation. That is going to be very easy. So let me put you down here. Okay, so this is the box, and inside the box, which is pretty cool box actually, there is the product here. Okay, so it has some stickers here, pads with padded, the main unit. Okay, and it has some also some lights that go on the sides. Okay, so for now I'm going to install this guy first, and then we'll talk about the other part. Let me put you down here. So these lights that go on the side from like that, and let me move the camera so that I can show you right the okay. Okay, it should work like that. Maybe not. Like this. Okay, right now it should work. Okay, so you basically put the cover like this. Okay, and you push a little bit, and that's it. Now there are the wires that you need to fix and stuff, and it powers up because it's powered by the wireless charger. This is pretty slick, very interesting idea. Okay, so the display has a display that you can play with, how all the settings. You can change the ambient lights and stuff. So you change the colors like that by swiping. It's a touch display. Okay, I need to figure out how to use it, of course. Okay, so here is the menu. It has some effects, and you see it breathes, so the lights goes off and on at the voice. So if you speak, the lights follows your voice. I guess there is a microphone. No, sorry, I'll go back. It rolls, so you see it follows, and then has the light, the color. Okay, you can then rest the screen on and off. Okay, and then the language. Okay, and then you can change the the colors. So it has the brightness also, and the source control. Okay, so you can increase the brightness of the light. Becomes pretty bright. This the maximum 10, and the minimum let's see, 3 2 1 0. Basically it's pretty off. So let's put it like 7 8 9, and then a source control. Okay, and then we'll go back to the clock. So the clock you can change. I'm not sure how you. Let me see. I need to. Oh, okay. Version. Okay. You can change the colors. Okay. I need to figure out how to change the time. Here's the color. Pretty cool. I like it. It's very simple, but very effective. And it's brilliant that they use the wireless charging. Of course, the side lights, the ones that you can stick, has a double tape, so you can put anywhere you want. They follow, of course, the colors that you picked. Okay, so if purple, and where's the other one? Here. Let's say the rainbow, and they change all the colors: white, purple. Pretty cool. I like it. And it breathes, so it goes on and off. Very nice. And then it follows the voice. I guess this one maybe works even with music. Well, I don't want to test it because otherwise I get a copyright strike. But it's interesting. It's pretty cool. I like this one. I need to figure out how to change the time here. Well, let me see if I can. No, it's not that. Okay. Well, I need to figure out how to do that. There are no instruction in it, so maybe some videos how to do it. That let me put like a color, red color. Okay. Yeah. This. Lights roll and lights. It's fixed. Then you roll. Okay. Voice, breathe. The effects. There are 4 effects. You can rest the screen on and off, and then the language, of course. And then you can pick the color that you want. Yellow. Okay. This is very cool. I like it. And on top of here, I don't have it with me. So there is the wireless charging for your headphones. So if you have, AirPods, that kind of earphones that are wireless charging, and then let's see if it works. Yeah, I need to fix some stuff for the phone here. My case is giving me problem. Anyway, the wireless charging here still works, so everything works fine. And this light is pretty cool. I like it a lot. And then you can change it to, let me put it to voice. So very cool. So the company again is Tlyard. Thank you again for sending me this ambient light. I like it a lot. And the coupon code you can use is Ciao Tesla, and it has 27% off. I think it was 146 or 49. So 27% off is a big number. So if you like it, check it out. I'm going to leave all the details in the description, and you can check it out. This product again is an ambient light. Let me again see here. The model is T7. I'm going to put the links so you can check it out. Okay, and if you see, you put the phone here and the earphones phone there. Okay, I need to figure out how to change the date and the time, but that's, should be pretty simple. I'm going to check the instruction. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.